In this video, I will show you how to blur the background in Capcut on your PC or laptop. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on Capcut. So the first thing you're going to want to do is add the video that you want to blur a background for. So I've just got this video here. So what you're going to want to do is just drag this onto your timeline. So this is a video. What we're going to be doing is blurring the background. Now to go ahead and do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is make an overlay of the video. So once you've clicked onto the video, you want to right click and then click onto copy. Then what you need to do is click into the row above, right click and then click onto paste. You just want to line these up so they're in line. Then what you need to do is click onto the overlay video, the top video, and you want to come up to the top right hand corner to your toolbar, click onto video and then click onto the remove background tab. Under here, you're going to see an option for auto removal. So what you want to do is tick the box, and it just takes a minute or two to do this. As you can see, it's currently processing. So you just want to give it a minute to process through. So once that's finished processing, what you now need to do is come back to your video timeline and you want to click onto the main video underneath. What you now need to do is come up to the top and click onto effects just up here. Then what you need to do is find the blur effect. So if you can't see it in here, what you can do is use the search box and just go ahead and type blur and then press enter, and this should load up the blur effect. So here is the blur effect. So all you want to do is click onto this and basically you want to drag and drop this onto the bottom video, just like this. Now what you can do is change the blur. So once you've got it selected, if you come up to the top right, you can actually change the blur, so the intensity, by moving this slide bar just like this. And once you're happy, as you can see, if we now play the video, we have gone ahead and blurred out the background of this video. So that is how to blur background in Capcut on your PC or laptop. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.